Welcome to Ask SafeTouch. In this video, we will demonstrate how to set up notifications for events from your account dashboard. Start by logging into your SafeTouch account dashboard. If you're not familiar with where or how to get logged in, please watch our YouTube video titled SafeTouch Dashboard Login, and then come back to this video once you're logged into your account. After logging into your dashboard, look along the left-hand side of the page for the word Notifications and click there. This will take you to the next screen titled Notifications at the top center of the screen. Below the screen title, you will see the words Notifications and Manage Devices. Notifications will be highlighted by default. Look to the right-hand side of the screen for the blue tab New Notification and click there. You will see a pop-up screen with several options listed. Along the left side of the pop-up screen, it will have different headings such as Standard, Property Awareness, Family, etc. Clicking on each heading will bring up notifications relating to the topic that was clicked. Today we're going to set up a standard notification for an arming reminder, so let's get started. By default, the pop-up screen for notifications will begin on the standard heading. Look for Arming Reminder to the right-hand side of the screen and click on it. The notification can be set to alert you if the system is not armed by a specific time on a specific day of the week. Notice the blue slide button to the top left of Arming Reminder. This allows you to actually enable or disable the arming reminder simply by sliding it to the left or the right. Let's start by changing this notification time from 10 a.m. to 9 a.m. and let's set it instead of all times to only during the following times, and we'll set it for the days of the week that we will need to be alerted, such as weekdays. We'll start by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We will click them individually to select those days. So now, if the system has not been armed by 9 a.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, there will be a notification sent to a recipient. The last step is to add the recipient. Click Add Recipient, go to a user, and click that user to add them to the notification. Once you're done, click Close, and now save your work. Now, when the system is not armed by 9 a.m. during a weekday, your recipient will be set a notification and can log in to set the system from the app or the dashboard. We hope this video was helpful, and again, thanks for watching, and always test your system monthly. For more information on home security and home automation, visit us on the web at www.safetouch.com.